Welcome back. Today we're looking at PEPE's price action, key support and resistance levels, and potential future moves using Elliott Wave and Fibonacci analysis. PEPE is still in a downtrend, but we're approaching key levels that could lead to a bounce. One possibility is that we are in a Wave 4 correction, meaning there could still be one final move up in Wave 5. However, until we see a confirmed reversal, the trend remains bearish, and trying to go long now could be risky. The next Fibonacci support level to watch is 55,594. This is an area where the price could react and attempt a recovery. A breakout above 73,607 could be an early signal of strength, but the key level to confirm a bullish reversal is 89,129. If PEPE can break and hold above this resistance, it would suggest that a low might be in. On the other hand, if PEPE drops below 38,778.8, it would indicate a deeper correction, potentially invalidating the current wave count. If this happens, we may see the price head toward lower Fibonacci retracement levels before any recovery attempt. For a safer entry, traders often wait for a breakout followed by a higher low, as this provides a clear setup with a defined stop loss. Right now, without confirmation, jumping in too early is like trying to catch a falling knife. PEPE is nearing a critical point, and the next few moves will determine whether we get a bounce or more downside. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you found this update helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto analysis. Thanks for watching.